We strive to expedite the provision of public rental housing, and we build the housing ladder so as to bring hope to home ownership. To this end, the incoming Secretary for Development and I will collaborate very closely with the view to optimizing the use of existing land and housing resources with innovative mindsets, as well as building up reserve to meet the housing demand in the long run. Hong Kong is at the global forefront of air and marine transport, both in terms of passenger flow and cargo volume. We must therefore ensure transport infrastructures are in place to enable sustainable development of Hong Kong and help enhance the city's competitiveness. As for inland transport, we will continue to center on public transport with railway as the backbone, with a view to providing reliable, quality, and efficient services for the public. The planning, development, and supply of land will continue to be the main focus of the work of my Bureau. We will continue to press ahead with a multi-pronged strategy to increase land supply. In particular, we will strive to make Hong Kong a more livable city and improve our quality of life. With regard to public works, we will endeavor to implement cost-effective capital works projects and to enhance Hong Kong's long-term competitiveness. Whilst pursuing various development goals, one thing we must not and should never forget is the conservation of our environment. We will fully take conservation into account in all our works projects to ensure that our development will be sustainable. And I agree with the remarks of STH Designate Mr. Frank Chan about the need to enhance the cooperation and communication between the two bureaus under our charge. And I have every confidence that the two bureaus will forge a close partnership and perhaps a spirit of brotherhood in the coming term.
In the past 5 years, I have been working very hard to safeguard the public health, to provide quality medical services, to ensure food safety and environmental hygiene, as well as to assist the sustainable development of fishery and also agriculture. And I will do the same in the coming 5 years. On medical services, I will formulate long-term healthcare policies and through more cross-sector and cross-disciplinary collaboration, to continue to take forward the dual-track system of public and private healthcare services, and to enhance the overall medical and healthcare services. Although there are more imminent issues to be addressed immediately, including long waiting time of the patients, manpower shortage of healthcare professionals, and also the amendment of the medical registration ordinance, etc., I will place greater efforts to develop primary health care, as well as the control and also prevention of non-communicable diseases, that is chronic diseases, as well as communicable diseases, to reduce the need for specialists and also hospital services, and plus the development of Chinese medicine.
In her election manifesto, the Chief Executive-elect has clearly stated that education is the key to nurturing talent, and the government expenditure on education is the most significant investment for our future. I very much agree with her views, and I shall make every possible effort to implement the relevant policy initiatives. Since her commitment to increasing the recurring expenditure on education by 5 billion each year, the CE-elect has been meeting with different stakeholders to gauge their views. As the Secretary for Education, I will continue to closely liaise and communicate with all education-related parties, and we will announce the specific measures soon after taking office. Funding approval from the Finance Committee will be sought for the implementation of the priority measures in the 2017 and 18 school year.